I'm doomed. Like,
Okay. Can you hear the duckling now? Saying something?
It's moving.
Huh? Listen,
Oh.
Hand the soup. You have to drink soup. Poke it. Poke
Yeah,
the soup.
yes.
Here and eat it. Yay.
How was it?
I got a little bit shut. Ooh.
Okay. Almost there. Okay. Can you see now that little hairy? That little hairy
some
thing
chili.
there? Tingnan mo na.
Paano mo sa kanya kakain?
No. Straight yan.
Yes.
Chili.
Tingnan mo na. Turn it around.
Turn it around?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it burped.
No, you don't eat that. That's kind of
The hard one.
rubber.
I don't. What do I not
No,
eat?
this one. It's hard.
Yeah, that white part, and you don't eat that.
Sayang ito.
You only eat the hairy part. And then
You can see the hair.
I don't eat this.
that. No, you don't eat that. You don't eat that. Sorry.
You eat the hairy part.
Yes, the hairy part.
Okay.
Mukha. Hindi lang yung mukha.
Oh.
Yes. That's it.
Just this part.
No, including the white
All.
one. Well, except this one. Except that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang siya. Ikaw mo siya. Sabi mo yung mura.
Bismillah.
Oh. Sama na. Sama mo. 5. Nice. Eat some spice. Chili.
Han, you okay? Are you okay?
There's something crunchy.
That's the bone.
You mean that's the feet, the flipper. One more?
Oh, this is big.
Ano kasama? Hindi tayo ng asin.
This is salt. Put salt. Put just a little of salt.
Han, you break it like an egg. You can eat it like
Parang
top.
lutuin niya na eh.
Okay.
You put some salt.
Put a little bit of salt. I think this is salt.
Okay, medyo sanay na.
Ah, sanay na. You know what?
Alis na.
Okay.
Now, you put salt so that it will have taste.
Ah, got some shell in my mouth. Alright, you see this, folks? I just want you guys.
Yeah. You show them that other side.
Han, show the
That's
other
where
side.
here.
Oh, do I have to open it up?
Yeah. Open it up a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, this is not the eating part.
No.
Yeah, let me see the head.
Oh, you eat that too.
This?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Yeah,
the
you
best.
can eat that.
That's the best part.
Okay. Lagyan mo konti ang
This is a 16-day-old duck egg.
Oh.
Yes, a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh, too much. I think too much.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's the guts. Look at it.
You're brave.
Yeah, that's the best. I like that.
Look at the veins. You see the veins? Was a living thing. aborted duck fetus. Yummy.
Yucky.
May scientific. So now you can have a dual citizen. Now you are now half Filipino.
I just felt like 5 new hairs popped up on my chest. Can I have a napkin, please?
How do you feel?
Balut. It's the dessert of champions. I feel like I just ran a marathon and got punched in the gut by a gorilla. How about you? the adrenaline surge right before you eat that? Holy smoke.
Even after you eat, the adrenaline will turn on. That's Filipino Viagra. Okay, let's go home.
Oh, no. No wonder they sell that stuff late at night.
Let's go home, man.
So, and for Valentine's Day, you get aborted duck fetus instead of a box of chocolate.
Yeah. I will eat mine when I arrive home.
Okay.